Hi guys, sivakatshele ngusesi la uZemthonjeni ngekhambo lepilo yami. Ngubani?
Delisithole.
Ubuya eDelmas.
Yeah.
Sinembuzo manje sinayo just general questions esifuna ukubuza yona. Siba usiphendulele yona.
Alright.
We are extremely happy.
Ukhule ulalela radio station iphi?
Ikwekwezi.
And who are your three best presenters ekwekwezi of all time?
Umbuzana, Busayi.
Yeah, with three.
With three, ngizothi ubani? Arvuna. Yeah.
Tampo. SABC ujamele.
South African Broadcast. South African Broadcast something. Service.
Aibo. Oh.
And AI yena ujamele.
AI.
Yeah.
No, AI angimazi. Angimazi AI. Okay.
Ngubani owagwinywa yi-whale ngeBhayibhelini?
Ujona.
Ngubani?
Ujona.
And who betrayed Jesus Christ in the Bible?
Judas Iscariot.
When Noah was taking things into the ark, bekathatha izinto nga 2 inlwane. Abantu bona wakhamba nabantu abayingaki?
Zange akhambe namuntu.
Ouching.
Who's the captain of Springboks?
Siya Kolisi.
What is 99,000 plus 1?
99,000 plus 1. It's 2,000. 99 plus 1. It's guys, it's 2,000. Guys, it's must 1999. Let's see 2,000. Yeah, shoot, it's 2,000.
Hey, he's not make sure.
And then what animal is on a 20 rand note?
Buffalo. Is it a buffalo? Yeah.
Buffalo. Between umuntu negiraffe ngubana namathamba amaningi entanyeni?
Giraffe, obvious.
What? Back to Limpopo.
Can you name the big 5 animals?
Big 5. It's elephant, hippo, lion, yini manje le city yini manje inyathi city yini sibiza ngani?
Yeah, right, ibiza ngenyathi.
Inyathi. Nani? Who is 5 fingers? Singathi nyoka.
Joe.
And can you spell the word hippopotamus?
HIPOPOTAMAS.
Ubabizani the group of animals that eat grass only?
Is it omnivore?
Omnivore.
Yeah.
Sensational.
What is the opposite of the word up?
Up. Down.
Left.
Right.
Sorry.
Ulayekile.
One doctor, the first doctor in the world to perform the heart transplant.
Wase Cape Town, into yakhona yenzakalele Cape Town ngithi. Barnard or something. Is it Barnard? Yeah.
Yes.
If ukusuka eJozi ukuya eCape Town ngeflight kukuthatha 1 hour 30 minutes, mara ukubuya kukuthatha 90 minutes. Why is it like that?
Sho ukuthi ubani nje lo driver upilot usuka khathi.
Wonke umkhanyo sonke isikhathi ikwekwezi FM ikuletha ekhaya kukhanya ba